Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to hard reset your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85. You have to start by click multifunctional button on your right ear cup and volume up button for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And we can hear a voice prompt here, so we make it. Now click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android also don't forget to click pair new device. And after that click on your headphones here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!